MapperDrone specializes in providing a full solution to our customers. Our units are completely modular. You can start with one and add payloads as you go.
What impressed me the most about the mdMapper1000DG drone is the time that it saves to do a topo out here.
So if we were going to topo this area by hand, it would take a day and a half, possibly 2 days, and we wouldn't be getting shots nearly as closely as we do with the drone.
With the DG, you don't have to go out and lay out as many ground control as you do with the regular mapper, and the processing time is going to be significantly decreased from the traditional mapper.
Somebody that I might recommend micro drones to are customers who are looking to be innovative, looking to be at the forefront of the construction industry, who wants to save time, save money, improve their safety.
Brent Scarbrough is a great user of our products. What this has allowed them to do is get topos of their sites more often and not have to put their surveyors in this Georgia heat every day.
We currently have somewhere around 30 GPS tractor units and somewhere between 10 and 15 rover systems, but we wanted to increase our effectiveness and ability to be timely on sites, and that's why we decided to implement drone topos in with our normal GPS operations.
The great thing about the Mapper1000DG is it is becoming another tool in the toolbox for Brent Scarbrough. Just like all this heavy equipment out here and the basin rover that the surveyors use every day, a drone is becoming an important piece for contractors around the country to make sure they can do their jobs efficiently and accurately.